everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Griselda. So in today's video, I have partnered up with CoverGirl to bring you this doll-like, Twiggy-like inspired makeup look using some of their new products. I'm so excited because you guys know how much I love the TruNaked eyeshadow palettes, and that's what I will be using on my eyes, and I just can't wait to show you how I created this look. Also, this right here is mostly drawn on lashes to give you like a fuller effect, and in this video I will show you guys how to do that. So if you want to see how I get this look, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you get notified every single time I upload. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. All right, so I went ahead and did my foundation and did my left eye. I wanted to go with a more doll-like eye, so this is what I came up with, and I actually really like it. I didn't want to do lashes because I just wanted it to be something a little different. I also created false lashes at the bottom to make my lashes look a little fuller, and I'll show you guys how I created that effect. For this look, I went ahead and I used the TruNaked Sunsets eye. You guys know I love the CoverGirl TruNaked palettes. I love how pigmented they are. They're so easy to blend out, and I love the color combos that they have. This is the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using for this look. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by using this shade right here to kind of create my guide before I create the cut crease. This is going to be my transition color, and I'm going to go ahead and pick up a pencil brush to create that. I like to go in and do a guide first, and I'm going in more rounded opposed to following the shape of my eye because I want my eyes to appear a little larger. So we're just gonna go ahead and do the eye shape a little bit more rounded. And then once we've done that, I like to go in with a clean brush and just kind of buff everything out. I'm not adding any more product, and then go back in with the pencil brush and just add a little bit more depth. These eyeshadows definitely don't give you a lot of fallout, and that's one thing that I always appreciate, especially when it comes to like drugstore products, because you would think these eyeshadows would have a lot of fallout, and they don't. To create that cut crease, I went ahead and I used this Easy Breezy Sculpt Brow Plus Set Pomade, and I'm using the brush that it comes with, and I'm using the shade Rich Brown. This was super easy to glide on as well. I know this is made for the eyebrow, but I just went ahead and I used it for my crease because honestly, there are no rules for makeup. Sometimes I use other stuff that are made for other things. Now that I have my guide, I go ahead and go in and just kind of create that same shape with the gel liner. And when I tell you guys that this is so easy to glide on, and the brush also makes it so much easier because it's very sturdy. It also blends out the pomade, so it makes a smoother transition. And then blend out the edges. And then you can go in one more time with the pomade and just trace the cut crease and just make it a little bit more intense. To kind of create more definition on the lid, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up a concealer, and you can use any concealer or an eye base, and a flat concealer brush, and I'm just going to outline the inner part of the lid so it can actually help me place the eyeshadow where it belongs. So now I'm going to pick up these two colors and just kind of blend them together, and we're just going to press it into the lid to kind of create that nice champagne bronzy color. This is such a pretty color. So for eyeliner, I'm going to be using this CoverGirl Perfect Slice, and to be honest with you, when I got the eyeliner, I was like, oh my god, it's going to be one of these eyeliners. I've tried some of them and they just do not work. The little roller just does not work. But I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna give this a try, and let me tell you, when I applied it, it's so easy and so smooth. It's super black as well. That's one of the things that is very hard to find when it's a liquid black eyeliner, it's not black at all. But this, I love the fact that the roller is super easy to kind of create that wing. It's super easy to glide. What I like to do is I like to do very small steps like this. And as you can see, it just glides on so easy. Never did I think I was going to like these eyeliners, but this one right here, it just makes it so easy. And it also makes it super easy to start really thin and then going in a little thicker. And even in the inner corner, it just makes it so much easy because the roller is very thin as well, so you can get in those areas that are very hard to reach. So for mascara, I'm going to be using this CoverGirl, the Super Size Big Curl Waterproof. You guys, when I saw the brush, look at the brush. I love the fact that the brush curls up, which means it's going to definitely curl your lashes. And when I applied it, it almost felt like my lashes were being conditioned and hairsprayed at the same time, because I curled it and I felt like it just stayed. It didn't come back down, and I didn't need to apply a lot of mascara. Look at my lashes. And I didn't even use a lash curler. So we're gonna do a coat of this. And what I like to do is I like to just wiggle the mascara. Wiggling the mascara just volumizes them. I just love the brush. I love how it just curls and just tugs my lashes. And like I said, it definitely makes my lashes feel like they are being conditioned and hairspray at the same time. So I'm just gonna grab a skin tone eyeliner and I'm just gonna run that through my waterline. Now for the fun part, what I really liked about this look is how I was able to kind of create false lashes to give my lashes a fuller effect. And for that, I'm gonna also be using that same pomade, and I'm using that same brush. So we're just gonna take that from the actual lash line and just bring it down like this. And this is a cool trick that you can do if you don't have long lashes or full lashes. This is definitely something that you can do. You can go as long or as short as you'd like. And I'm kind of doing them pretty separated because I am going to put mascara on. That's just gonna fill in those sparse areas that you have. Now I'm gonna go in with the Super Size Big Curl Mascara. You see how it just fills in those areas? It just completes the eye look. We're just gonna do one more coat on top. So for the lips, I'm going to be using the Outlast All Day lip color. So I'm going to go ahead and use this color. This one is called Brazen Raisin. This is such a pretty color. Ooh, this is such a pretty color. I love how it smells too. So next I'm going to be using this moisture lip topper. It says that I have to leave it on for 60 seconds for it to dry. And this is gonna give me kind of like a glossy finish. So we're just gonna wait 60 seconds before we apply this on. Okay, now that it's fully dry, we are going to use the moisturizer. And this. Okay, CoverGirl. And it says that you can actually touch up with this. This right here, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my God, and look, you guys, there's nothing, there's absolutely nothing on here, which means this is not coming off. Nada. No hay nada. I'm shook. I was not expecting this, CoverGirl. All right, everyone, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini doll-like, Twiggy-like inspired makeup tutorial. I wanted to say thank you so much to CoverGirl again for partnering up with me to bring you guys this video. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. Let me know if you really liked this lash effect, because I think I'm gonna be using this a lot more often. And this lip, You guys, this lip had me shook to the core. So let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.